Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on GoPro Hero 13. To do this, first you will need a charger, so connect the charger to your camera by opening a hatch on the right side. After that we can swipe our finger from the top like this, move to the right side and enter preferences. Then scroll down and look for the reset. Click on it, then you can reset all of the presets, reset camera tips, or perform factory reset, which we're gonna choose. Then confirm it with the red button and wait till your camera is restored to factory settings. Do not disconnect it from the charger or touch any power buttons. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.